Hello, my dear children. You're welcome to Kids Corner. It's our story time. The name of our today's story is Fluffy. It was late evening. Fluffy was feeling desolate and lonely. How could his parents abandon him? They loved him so much. They brought toys for him, pampered him, and played with him every day. And today was no different. He had gone for a morning walk with his father. After coming home, his mother had given him his favorite biscuits and a banana. Then it was his time to take a nap. But he was in for a big surprise. His father took him for a long drive. They must have driven for almost an hour and a half, and he stopped the car. They had reached a forest park. They got out of the car and his father started playing with him. Oh, it was a picnic! But why hadn't Mom come? After some time, his father cuddled him, gave him his favorite toy, and started talking to someone on the phone. Fluffy was engrossed in the toy and suddenly realized that his father was nowhere to be seen. Fluffy was scared. Where had his father gone? He walked for a long time in search of his father and reached a small house in a village. He was tired, so he decided to take some rest. Damu, a farmer living in the house, saw him and gave him some food. Fluffy was hungry, but he did not eat. He was thinking of his mom and dad, wondering why they had left him. Tears welled up in his eyes. Damu cuddled him and tried to feed him in vain. Next day, Damu saw Fluffy sleeping under a tree outside his house. He kept a pot of water and some food for him before leaving for his farm. When he returned home in the evening, he saw that Fluffy hadn't even touched the food. 2 days passed. Fluffy had not eaten anything. Damu's son told him that Fluffy had been constantly looking in a direction, as if waiting for someone. As soon as he saw a car approach, his face would light up and he would run expectantly towards the car, only to return disappointed. Damu understood that Fluffy was missing his master and mistress. Feeling sorry for him, he lovingly patted Fluffy and tried to lighten up his mood by throwing a ball at him. Fluffy caught the ball and gave it to Damu as if requesting Damu to play with him. Damu was relieved that Fluffy had responded positively and lovingly stroked his head. He played with Fluffy for some time and at last somehow succeeded in feeding Fluffy. Next morning, Fluffy went with Damu to his farm, spent the day with him, and they returned home in the evening. From that day onwards, Fluffy followed Damu wherever he went. He guarded his farm at night, helped him carry his things, and soon they became the best of friends. A few months later, Damu fell ill, and his son admitted him to a hospital. Fluffy was very sad. He would follow Damu's son to the hospital every day, hoping to have a glimpse of his friend. When not allowed to enter, he would wait outside the hospital till the son returned. After a week, when Damu was discharged from the hospital, Fluffy was the happiest being on the earth. He jumped and ran around Damu and ate his meal almost after 8 days. See how loving and caring animals are? They too, like us, have feelings and are sensitive. They never harm us without any reason. It is humans who often don't understand them. So children, always be kind to animals. Never tease them or play pranks with them. Love them just like they love us, selflessly. We'll meet you in a few days with another story. Love you. Goodbye.